Can I really start my day with total confidence just by praying for 30 days straight? Morning prayer is a powerful tool that can help you build confidence and set a positive tone for the rest of the day. It's a simple yet effective way to connect with your inner self, find peace, and gain clarity on your goals and priorities. Waking up in the morning can be tough, especially when you're feeling stressed, uncertain, or just plain tired. Many of us start our day with self-doubt, wondering if we're good enough or if we're making the right decisions. These negative thoughts can spiral out of control, making it hard to focus on anything else. Mornings can also be a time of chaos, with so much to do and not enough time to do it. This can lead to feelings of overwhelm, anxiety, and frustration. When we're struggling to get out of bed or feeling stuck in a rut, it's easy to let stress and anxiety take over. These emotions can be overwhelming, making it difficult to shake them off and start the day with confidence. Morning prayer can combat these challenges by fostering a sense of peace, purpose, and connection. By taking a few minutes each morning to pray, you can set a positive tone for the day and gain clarity on your goals and priorities. For example, you could start by expressing gratitude for the blessings in your life, no matter how small they may seem. You could also use this time to set intentions for the day, seeking guidance on how to navigate challenges and make the most of opportunities. Additionally, morning prayer can be a powerful way to connect with a higher power, seeking strength, wisdom, and courage to face whatever the day may bring. I know someone who started practicing morning prayer during a particularly tough time in their life. They were struggling with anxiety and self-doubt, feeling like they were losing control. But after just a few days of praying in the morning, they started to notice a shift in their mindset.